Good evening, Cee Cee Gang. How you doing? How you feeling? How you been? How you been? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, guys, so I finally got a freaking computer camera. Like, what's up about that? I finally got a camera, y'all. So I got it on Amazon for $100, and we just about to just open her up. Like, y'all just gonna be watching me watch her. Like, we're gonna do it like this, hopefully. Like, okay. All right, so we got the directions in here, the accessories. What y'all doing today? Like, y'all going out? What y'all doing? Okay, so we got 2 batteries, an SD card, I'm guessing the HDMI cord, and a charger cord, and a lens cover. And I'm guessing that's for that. This is for the charger. Ew. I don't know what this is for. So I don't know. And I feel like I should look at what that's for, but why would I do that? And also we got the camera, guys. We got a lens wiper too, because you know we're gonna need that. But here's the camera, and yes, I did like already do like a haul. I looked at it before I had to record for you guys, because why not? I was so excited. But look at her. Look at her. Oh my god. I need to like mess with the coloring. I mean, not the coloring, the settings and stuff for it. Ouch. And once I do that, it's OV, okay? Like, yeah, I'm putting all this stuff in it now, guys, because at this point I might as well, because tomorrow I should have my what's it called? Hold it. Like, y'all, I can't wait until, I don't like how it looks on the camera, but like, I'm so, hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. I just got rudely interrupted, but I'm so excited. Like, oh my god. And it's like, it's not heavy, but yeah, I could also like take out these lenses and say if I want to get like a different type of lens, I can. But the focus, it be focusing on this camera. Like, it's something, but I'm excited. Like, I know I'm gonna start recording tomorrow, so we're gonna get this stuff done tomorrow. We're gonna look up how to do whatnot. It's just about to turn out for the rest of the day. Well, night. We about to go to my aunt's house. Yeah, we're gonna go to my aunt's house, be there for a little bit. I think we're supposed to be playing some games. My mom told me I gotta bring my cards, but I don't know which cards, so I'm gonna bring my Unos. And yeah, y'all, I got a camera. I'm so excited. I didn't even take off the film. Like, I didn't even take off the plastic yet. Like, I'm pretty sure it looks better too, just because I got the plastic off. Like, yeah. Bubba, you look so handsome. You got your Papa Show shirt on? Is that a little too big? I mean, small? Anyways, where I'm on, there goes Jada. And her pictures are so cute. I'm a little tipsy, y'all. So we're gonna take a little shotty shot. Yeah, y'all heard the liquor. Y'all heard the liquor. Oh my god. Look at my little baby. Playing his game. Or whatever. I had to escape from the adults. They was doing too much. They took my $2. Tavia, they took my $2. They took my $2. They was cheating on that game. They was cheating on that game. They was cheating on that game. They was cheating on the game with my $2. So rude. Really? Really crazy? Really crazy? That's how you feeling? Okay, guys. Thursday. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A better year.
So I am, oh my god. I am currently home and I just want to say Happy New Year's to everybody. And yeah. Hey guys, it's morning. I actually woke up with a hangover. It's the first of the month. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Hey, it is January 1st, 2023. 2023. So I just woke up. My face is dry. My lips is dry. I need to get moisturized. And we're gonna get moisturized in a little bit, y'all. But I just wanted to come onto the camera soberly and say Happy New Year. And I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday, whether y'all was with people. See, like, I got stuff on my face. Whether y'all was with people, by yourself, with family, friends, co-workers, whoever you was with, I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday, because today's a new day and it's going to be spectacular. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I just got the shower and whatnot. Me and my sis about to go and get some brunch. Our reservation's at 2. It's like 1:30 now. But we're like 10 minutes away from each other, so that's all that matters. We're kind of close to each other. I don't feel like doing my baby hairs today, so we're just gonna tuck that, tuck this, slick that. I want to do like a cute little liner for my lips. That's why my lips are still ashy. And everything that I need out this bag now. But I low-key don't know where my actual liner is at, so, and I really did not feel like looking for it. So yeah guys, that's what we're doing today. Y'all know Cap, the purse that I'm about to transition into. That's cool. That's real cool.
Yeah, I pull up roto window down it. I pull up roto.
I'll lie. I'm about to do my baby hairs. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, y'all. Yeah. I feel more complete right now. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my homegirl now. She just told me that she's about to be on the way. Oh, it's a little chilly out here today. It's a little chilly out here for my liking. Now, they done scared me with this spot. Bill! So, my people done scared me. Yeah. So, my people done scared me about the place. They said there's mixed reviews about it. And it all depends upon what you get. I'm scared. You wanna go to Urban Tab? I like Urban Tab. Huh? Urban Tab. What the fuck is Urban Tab? It's my side.
Make up your mind on where the hell we going.
Y'all see how my friend be talking to me?
Listen.
She be talking to me all disrespectfully. Like, I thought she loved me.
I do.
No, she loved me. Then we got baby girl
but you don't be
Bell
knowing how to make
Bell.
up your damn mind. You be picking one place and
Hey,
be like,
girl.
hey.
Yeah, so we about to go to freaking Urban Tab because yeah.
Climb.
Okay, guys. So, oh, we had to go to another place because we couldn't find parking for the one spot, and then free parking because it's a holiday. Says it's free parking, but yeah, this is we're at Mexican. We're about to get some Mexican food, and that's that. There's a girl like looking at me from her side. She was side-eyeing me, and I was trying to figure out why she was side-eyeing me, y'all, for real. I don't know what's going on with my purse. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so we just got to the place, but we changed places like twice. Not because of me. Ah, she looks so cute in her little jabber jaw. Hi, Miss Bell.
Oh, free today?
You ain't hear me?
No. Oh, wait, here.
So, we're getting Mexican because why not get Mexican and tequila? Well, margaritas. So that's what we're doing. And what? There's a person running. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when we get in there. So, I'm sorry. Okay.
You want to do...
So we are all in here.
We'll do a cheeseburger for you. Yeah, we'll do a cheeseburger. And then apple juice.
Ooh, apple juice. That sounds so good.
Yeah, we'll do you a cheeseburger. Here.
You want a cheese roll?
Take your coat off. So we're inside.
Okay, guys, we're just going to I got the camera.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Are you good?
Go over it. Alright, yo. Okay, y'all, so we just got our food. I need a margarita now, so waiter. I gotta let them know that I got my drink.
You get paid from YouTube yet?
No, I'm not consistent yet.
That mean it's strong. And you want me to get one of that?
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it.
Oh my God. Y'all, today is my last off day before I have to go back to work. And it's rainy outside. I kind of want to go and print out some pictures. Yeah. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I slept good last night, for real. I came back from getting a drink with my homegirl, you know, like yesterday, and then I came home and that drink took me out, y'all. I don't know what it is about the drink, but that drink, it's so cheap and so good. Like, it's just so good. But so y'all, right now I am I am messing with my camera, okay? So I'm watching this one girl and she has a totally different camera than I do, which is crazy. But it's okay because, yeah. But I just want to like see the difference for real, because I feel like it's gonna be more air over here right now. So that's why I have this little clip playing right now. But I'm just trying to feel it out for guys. Are y'all feeling it? Like, should I continue to do it off my phone, or like, what should I do? Let me know. Okay, gang, so as y'all can see, I had to move, but I don't think that this camera works for outside lighting. Like, it's cloudy outside, so it looks gray, and I don't know, because y'all see what's going on this camera. It's like it has like a stop motion for real, and I don't know why. So yeah, I don't know. To Walmart and get me a mic for this, because I kind of need to get a mic for it. So I'm gonna get that, and I gotta print out some pictures. So I'm gonna print some pictures out for my little vision board, because we're doing a vision board. And I think that's it.
Y'all don't love me?
No, we love you, but you been yelling since the first. So I won. Okay, y'all. So right now I am in a $1.25 tree. I low-key want to like decorate my room for Valentine's Day. So we might do that. I don't even know what I came in here for, but I came in here. And they got cute little, they got St. Patty stuff out too, y'all. I want to start, you know, really taking my face care, really like actually do it. So I'm gonna get some red hazel. I low-key need more scrunchies, like more smaller ones, because I don't know where all of mine went. So we're gonna get some of these. Y'all know, I for wish that a $1.25 tree had edge brushes. Like, oh, I need a new toothbrush, because I don't like my toothbrush that I got right now. Like, I don't like it. And I also want to get some more mouthwash, because I don't have any mouthwash. So least something had like little travel size mouthwash. Lashes. These ones are soft, and I don't like soft brushes for real. Soft brushes to me feel like they don't get the work done correctly. And I'll get 2 of these close-ups. Use one of them for my hair because I kind of need one for my hair. And then I want to get some snacks, like some Boston baked beans, because I know I love me some Boston baked beans. I feel like I'm gonna want like 2 of them, so I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'm gonna get a pack of these Airheads. They just like but I like the one that I don't have to like really hard, like I don't know. Hold on. Cause I like the ones that you could just go like this and just do that. I'm not feeling that one anyways. That one's cool, but this one smells better. Y'all, say everything. I was gonna get one of these off of freaking Amazon, and I got one. Yeah, this is what I'm about to be using. So y'all know how it is. Every time you want something, it's not here, but whenever you don't want it, it's always available. So y'all, the mic was not here, so I don't have a mic. So we're gonna continue to use this camera until we get a mic. I'm looking at these comforter sets right now, y'all. So please do not mind me. My thing is like, I don't know if I'm a fool or if I'm a queen.
Yeah, shit, burning type shit.
Six, my regular.